A delayed start on the final day of the LV County Championship match at Headingley Carnegie meant that Yorkshire were denied the chance to push on for their third successive four-day win against Somerset, but only just. Yorkshire were in a dominant position going into the final day, but their hearts would have sunk a bit when they realised that play could not start until 2:10. When it did, Josh Butler was out of the second ball, caught behind off Stephen Patterson. That left Somerset on 190 for 6, still 315 runs behind, but there was simply not enough time left for the home side to get shot of this innings and then to bowl the visitors out for a second time. They certainly tried their hardest, and Patterson also removed Peter Trieger, who drove on the up and into the hands of Rich Pyra to depart for 10. Pyra had earlier taken the wicket of James Hildreth. Alfonso Thomas and Steve Kirby then batted in a determined manner past tea before Somerset followed on after being dismissed for 252. Jack Brooks then had Nick Compton held by Adam Lyth with his fourth ball. As with his match-winning spell against Derbyshire last week, the former Northamptonshire bowler was soon causing all sorts of problems for the visitors. Alvaro Peterson got away with that, but Brooks didn't have to wait too long to get him, Lyth taking the catch again. Somerset had followed on 253 runs behind, but had only 23 overs to see out in their second innings to save the game. 8 of those had gone by the time that Hildreth became the first Somerset man to be dismissed twice on the same day. Brooks got him, helped by the pitch as the ball kept very low, giving Hildreth little chance of getting his bat on the ball. Brooks then struck yet again in his 5th over, Arul Sapaya claiming a pair as he was also bowled by Brooks, who then had to leave the field for an x-ray after injuring a thumb. Patterson took over from him and continued to make Somerset very nervous. He had Butler held by Gary Balance off a poor shot. And there were still 5 overs remaining when Trigo was LBW, a decision which left Somerset reeling on 48 for 6. It was an astonishing spell from Yorkshire, who were only really denied an improbable win by Marcus Trescothick, who batted through the overs with a match-saving 33. Somerset finished on 61 for 6 and were extremely thankful for all the rain on the previous days. They were outplayed for much of this match, but claimed 7 points to Yorkshire's 10, enough for them to spend a brief spell at least on top of the table. The two meet again on Saturday in the Yorkshire Bank 40.